Hi, I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Internet of Things 4.0 Systems. We are based in Austria and Switzerland. Our target is to address the overall IoT market, especially in the areas of manufacturing, retail, and also in the public sector. Our prime target is, or as I could say, we have a software solution called Cabera, which is doing quite some interesting thing. It's called Connect, Detect, Act. Connect means sensors are constantly connected to the internet. They send information and ping. As soon as something goes from green to yellow or even to red, we can detect that and we can set the appropriate action based on the anomaly that we found. To grow as much as possible, very simple. The idea is really to develop the business on a solid basis out of Europe. And here, especially Abu Dhabi and the United Arab Emirates are really an interesting marketplace for us to enhance our additional growth. The biggest challenge that we face to the business is twofold. On one side, to get the appropriate people. Our team has to grow accordingly, so that's not always easy. The second point is that companies are partly a little bit reluctant to jump onto this new technology for various reasons, maybe security, maybe some other areas, but our growth should be phenomenal if they would invest into solutions that we really can support right from the beginning.